Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today we are back with another banger. Today, guys, we'll be talking about CoinEx and the freaking Bitcoin halving, guys. That is in 35 days. Damn, this got me excited, guys. So yes, today we are talking about CoinEx, guys. I want to show you their new brand video which they have pushed. We'll watch it together. It's kind of cool, you know. I mean, it's a very cool video actually. It sort of shows you what CoinEx is doing and how they approach every single audience when it comes to crypto. CoinEx is the best exchange for newbies as well. I did already cover that topic, guys, so we will get into all the good stuff about this exchange today. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. With that said, guys, we can dive right into it. So yeah, CoinEx, guys, newbie friendly, user friendly exchange that also does charity and many cool other things. Okay, they have a very professional team. They are also listing the top of the top cryptocurrencies. So if you are to start a journey with crypto and if you are looking for your first exchange, then I mean, CoinEx, I can really warmly recommend it, guys. I mean, I'm a user of this exchange and I've been using it for quite a while now, never been disappointed. So withdrawals are fast, there is no KYC as well, and I know that it's an important factor for many of you. So yeah, it really does have a lot of upsides comparing them with their competitors, guys. But before we get into the proper review and before I will show you some of the features that they offer, because they have a lot of them for real, let's watch this brand video that I'm hyping you up about. So let me pull it up for you real quick here, and there we have it, guys. As you can see, I have it right here. So let's go, let's freaking watch it. Okay, let's see what they have in store for us. Okay, but it's pretty cool advertisement, pretty cool brand video about Bitcoin halving as well. So let's get right into it, guys, shall we?
Where is your coin? It's flipping. Dropping. Rolling. Witnessing the myriad of human experiences.
And guys, let me tell you that they really know how to do the marketing. Okay, just look at the quality of this freaking video. Okay, it's really, it's like a movie for real.
Let's have a good time. Rise and shine.
Welcome to the Web3 world of coin.
Oh yeah.
The race of cryptocurrencies.
Of course, they have their own token as well, or their own crypto, which is doing pretty well. So that's another thing that we'll touch on in the video, guys. You can see it here, rolling in the background. And now we get into the good stuff, guys, that I'm hyped up about.
CoinEx
Guys. The halving.
Bitcoin halving. Less is more.
Absolutely, guys, less is more. If you know, you know. Okay, like for real, next 30 days, I mean, the market is wilding right now. Okay, and I think it's about to get even crazier. I can imagine Bitcoin hitting 100k. Okay, guys, let's see how it goes. But I mean, I'm so excited, you can't even imagine that.
Let's have a good time. Rise and shine.
Bitcoin to the moon.
Yeah.
When coin enters an exchange, it's CoinEx. CoinEx redefines expert, listing high-quality coins. Robust security infrastructure. Where's your coin?
Should be on CoinEx, eh?
CoinEx.
Alright, pretty cool brand video, guys, you have to agree with me on this. I mean, it's the best, like, crypto brand video that I've watched. Like, they really know how to do the marketing. Okay, that's the professionalism that I'm talking about. So let's get back into the review. Let's talk about some, you know, key points that I have prepared for you today, guys. So first of all, I wanted to, as I said at the beginning, address the fact that they are very newbie friendly, and I have a whole video about this newbie friendliness, I guess we could say, on my channel. So if you want to watch all my videos about CoinEx, go ahead and in the search bar of my videos, just write CoinEx and you will see all of those videos. They have a lot of tutorials, guys. They have a lot of cool promotions. For example, right now they are running this trade board as well. They have airdrops. I mean, they really have it all, okay? And they are cool because they are like learn and earn. As you can see, those are ended, but basically what you can do is as it says, sort of, you can learn some stuff about each particular token or project, let's say, and then you will get rewarded certain amount of tokens. So for example, this had this one for CET, and CET, guys, if you have a look, is also trading at a really decent almost 4 cents right now. This token is really doing pretty well, I'd say. And as you can see, it has 550% overall return, which is crazy. So it really does the job, guys. But yeah, let's address some stuff. First of all, guys, CoinEx has a professional coin listing team, okay? And they really adhere to the principle of good, fast, and complete, guys. Good basically refers to high quality coins, because if you have a look at CoinEx, you can actually see a lot of markets and a lot of cool quality coins that you want to trade. The fast refers to swift assessment and coin listing, guys, and complete refers to widely covering all quality coins in the market. So it provides the high quality coins with users to trade. And as of now, guys, CoinEx has strategically supported over 800 cryptocurrencies and 1200 plus trading pairs, which is absolutely crazy. Bitcoin, guys, itself as a digital gold, you know, it has a lot of value. It has a lot of value. You can purchase it on CoinEx. They have many features to buy here. You can buy with fiat. You can really do it all, okay? But essentially, if you want to get into crypto, then you can definitely jump in and get yourself some BTC. I mean, right now it is crazy, okay? Like the halving is right around the corner, so the hype is building up, and it means I would say a pretty bright 2024 for Bitcoin and for crypto. We could see some nice alt season as well, I hope. But yeah, it's like a digital gold, like for real, and it has a high storage value for asset prevention, guys. CoinEx, as they have said in their brand video, they really bank on the security, and that's what we obviously want from an exchange that has our money, or eventually like will have. So if we trade here, if we buy, sell, swap, withdraw, deposit, okay, if we do all the transactions, we want to have our funds safe, and CoinEx really does bank on it. So they have 4 firewalls that I can tell you about. So well, they have cold wallet, shield fund, security partnerships, and they really have a expert security team. So they really do have it all, okay? And they also have, I think it's somewhere in help, I guess I will find it in a second for you guys, but they basically do have a whole security informations where they basically tell you how they are protecting you and your funds. So let me pull it up for you guys so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you have to go to coinex.com/asset-security, and then you can basically see those all things that I refer you to. So you have a hot cold wallet, guys, as you can see, okay, and you have explanations of each of these features that I told you, okay? So you have the shield funds, the partnerships, and the team itself, which is really doing their best to ensure a swift experience with CoinEx and to protect and well, have your funds safe, obviously. Okay, guys, CoinEx is really an established and trustworthy exchange. They have a lot of features that other exchanges don't have, such as this swap one, which I really like, where you can instantly swap your crypto for the best value. And as you can see, guys, I've been using it, okay? I've been using it here. You have my transaction history even, so as I said, I'm using this exchange. Some of them are very recent, so I'm fully transparent about it as well, okay? They're trustworthy exchange, guys, really. 7 years of experience in the industry is, I mean, it speaks for itself, right? it is really a professional exchange, guys. They anticipate the user needs, they simplify the whole trading process, for example by utilizing this swap, okay, or many other markets that are also easy to navigate through. And they really prioritize user growth and asset safety. CoinEx, guys, has established a complete ecosystem. So they have a public chain CSC, they have CoinEx wallet, they have CoinEx charity, they have their own token as well, okay? And they have a dedicated team of customer service experts that are available 24/7, 24 hours a day, guys. And they are responsive and they provide customer service in 16 language markets in more than 200 countries and regions worldwide. And I can vouch that CoinEx is really the go-to if you are new to crypto, okay? Remember to set up your 2 factors, to never share your passwords with anyone, and I just want to stress that no one from the team, no one from the support will ask you for any sort of details when it comes to your account login or your private keys. Never ever share this with nobody, okay, guys? But yeah, that will be it. If you haven't explored CoinEx yet, then you are really missing out. Go ahead, check it out, okay? Let me know, maybe you are already using CoinEx, maybe you are hodling their token. So yeah, I want to hear your opinions in the comments, obviously, guys. So that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.